unwrapping this. Here, wait, unwrap it. See? Look at that. Look at that, Reese. Oh my God. What's that, Honor? Oh! Not that cool. Oh, wow.
What is it?
Do you know what it's called?
What is it?
Do you remember what it's called?
Oh, the numbers.
There's numbers.
Yeah.
It's called Play-Doh, remember? Remember we played Play-Doh?
Look how much Play-Doh that is.
Ooh. Look at how fancy this is, Reese. Oh, I just love the paper. Now, makes sense. Nope. What is that?
Oh, a queen game.
A McQueen game?
Oh,
That's not yours either.
look.
Colin, what'd you get? We can make Play-Doh queens. Reese, what is that?